crazy overtired, and I'm not feeling well, and I'm really bored, so that's why I'm whispering into the camera, because I don't want to wake Rob up. He is so snoring loud.